So to begin with, click on document number 1, which is the annotated bibliography example. And this is an example of the end product you're going to be submitting. And what you're going to do, each example is going to be roughly a paragraph, 2 paragraphs long. And you're going to start with the title of your book or article. You're going to put the author's last name and then first name and then the title of the article or book. And if it comes from a website or journal, you will put it right there, right? Then you're going to be doing a short summary of what the article is, what the main points of the source are. And then one more paragraph where you explain, is this information useful for the essay that I want to write, right? Now, you'll be using these sources again as we get to the end of the term, because these will be the beginning of your research for your last research paper. But when you get done, it's going to look like this. So we have source 1 here, a couple paragraphs. Source 2 here, a couple paragraphs. Source 3 here, and then there'll be one more source. So you're going to do a total of 4. Click on document number 2 for me, please. This is the assignment itself. The goal of this assignment is to develop your research skills by finding and evaluating valid sources. You will create an annotated bibliography that includes citations in MLA format and a brief annotation for each source. This exercise will help you practice summarizing information and assessing the credibility and relevance of sources for academic work. So to begin with, your first step on completing this, you're going to choose your topic. And I've got a document that has a whole bunch of topics for you to choose from. You're going to start by picking a topic. And then you're going to find at least 4 sources for that topic and do the annotated bibliography for them. The sources can be from books, scholarly journal, articles, websites, and other credible materials. And I've got a document that has a bunch of sources that you can choose from. For each source, you're going to create an MLA works cited page in MLA style, and we will go over that. And each annotation must be at least 100 words, in which you include a short summary of the main points or arguments of the source, how useful it is, and then, is this a source that you can trust? Okay. Submission requirements. Your annotated bibliography should include a title, a list of sources alphabetically by author's last name, and then written in Times New Roman, size 12. For the grading, quality of sources. Are the sources appropriate, credible, and relevant to the topic? Are these good quality sources? MLA formatting. Are the citations in MLA style? And annotations. Do the annotations summarize, evaluate, and explain the source's usefulness and clearly and effectively? And is it free of typos and punctuation errors? We'll talk more about that as we get into the assignment a little bit more. So click on document 3 for me now. So that was the assignment. Now, you have a bunch of sources that you can choose from. Here's the links to sources, which is document 3, and all of these are hyperlinked. These are all sources that are trustworthy that you can pick from, and there's also a database. We'll spend some time with the database coming up as we get into the assignment a little bit more closely. But if you click on any of these documents, like Encyclopedia Britannica, it takes you to the source, and then you can enter in the topic that you want to be researching and find some information that way. Okay. Now, go back to the folder for today and click on document number 4. Options. So on this document, there's a whole bunch of different topics that you could choose to write about. And these are by book. So first of all, we have fiction books, 15 fiction books with a short what it's about, and then 15 nonfiction books. We have historical figures that you could choose from and a little bit about who they are. We also have a list of famous speeches that you could choose to write about. So if you remember, the overall arching question of this unit is about the power of words and how words can change the world. And so you're either going to be doing some research on a person whose words changed the world, a book, or a speech whose words have changed the world. And that's a bunch of options for you to choose from. Now, click on one more thing for me. Click on number 5. Document number 5. And this is what you're going to be working on in class today and tomorrow. I want to try to have this done by tomorrow. And so what you're going to do is you're going to look on your document of all the potential sources, which is in Schoology folder. And you're going to look through this list and you're going to pick 3 topics that you think might be interesting. So for instance, if I chose 3 books here, so if I chose 1984, I would copy and paste that onto the document for potential source topic number 1. Then I might pick Atlas Shrugged, copy and paste that to potential topic number 2. And then you're going to find one more for 3. So on this document, today and tomorrow, what you're going to be doing is pick 3 topics that you might be interested in writing about. You're going to probably choose one of those. And then you're going to do a little bit of research, just basic preliminary research, first thing research. So you're going to find a couple sources that fit with this and a little bit of information to just help you decide, is this a topic that I want to do my research on? Okay. So quick recap, what you need to do first. Topic 1, first thing you do is open up the info essay topic exploration. And you're going to find 3 topics to write about. And those are listed in your Schoology folder. And then you're going to copy and paste them, potential topic 1, potential topic 2, and then potential topic 3. And you're going to do a little research, find out a couple things about these topics to help you make your decision about what you want to write about. When I come back in class on Wednesday, we will spend some more time on the annotated bibliography. And if you have any questions tomorrow when I'm at my workshop, you can try sending me an email. I will have my laptop on, and so it's possible I may be able to get back to you on that.